Tara, let's explore iconic squares and landmarks in London!
Hi guys, I'm Julius.
And I'm Tristan. We're chasing adventures one stop at a time.
Welcome to our travel vlog.
Hello mga kalakwatsa! Kamusta kayo? On the bus ulit tayo today for our next London Gala. Samahan nyo kami as we explore this amazing city, one video at a time.
Today, we're checking out some of the most popular neighborhoods and landmarks in central London. Pero medyo madami-dami tayong lakad ha, kasi we want to see everything.
Saan ba tayo pupunta today? First stop, Trafalgar Square, the historic heart of London. Then, Leicester Square, the entertainment hotspots. Next, Chinatown, kung saan ramdam mo talaga ang Chinese culture and food. And finally, Soho, the place for nightlife and cool vibes.
Ang ganda ng weather ngayon guys. Autumn na kasi. Usually, cloudy or rainy. Pero today, hello Mr. Sun! Perfect weather for walking.
From Tottenham Court Road, lakad lang tayo papunta sa first stop. Naalala niyo ba dito? Dito tayo galing nung nag-explore tayo ng iba't ibang theater shows sa London.
Dito tip, this area can get super busy. So always be aware of your surroundings and ingatan ng mga gamit like phones and bags.
Around Trafalgar and Leicester Squares, makikita mo yung classic mix of neoclassical buildings, Victorian and Edwardian architecture, plus iconic entertainment venues sa gitna ng West End.
Walking dito sa Central London is super entertaining. Hindi lang dahil classy ang vibe, but also dahil maraming different people sharing the space in their own unique ways.
Meet Sir Henry Irving, one of Victorian England's most famous stage actors and theater pioneers.
This place is very iconic to this country, puno ng history and symbolism for the British. Welcome to Trafalgar Square!
Fun fact muna, it's named after the Battle of Trafalgar in 1805, a big naval win for Britain against France and Spain during Napoleonic Wars. This win sealed Britain's naval power for the 19th century. Today, Trafalgar Square is a major hangout spot for protests, rallies, victory parades, New Year celebrations, sports events, and festivals.
At the center is Nelson's Column, a huge monument to Admiral Lord Horatio Nelson, who died in that battle. He's a British hero, and the column celebrates his leadership and sacrifice. Surrounded by historic buildings, statues, and fountains, it's also a magnet for tourists and often appears in films and postcards. The National Gallery is right here too, home to some of the UK's most important art.
Trafalgar Square matters because it marks a key military victory, honors national heroes, and serves as London's political and cultural heart.
Perfect spot din to for Instagram shots, especially views from the National Gallery.
Comment kayo below mga kalakwatsa if gusto nyong bisitahin natin ang National Gallery. Sabi nila, may obra ni Vincent van Gogh dun.
Next, pupunta tayo sa Queen Eleanor Memorial Cross sa Charing Cross.
Fun fact, though Trafalgar Square is more famous now, Charing Cross is actually London's Mile Zero, the official center point used for maps, GPS, and distance calculations.
On our way, we'll pass by the National Portrait Gallery, the first gallery in the world solely dedicated to portraits of famous and historical people, established in 1856.
Next stop, Leicester Square. This place is London's entertainment hub. Cinemas, bright lights, statues, shops, and lots of street life.
At syempre, may tatak Pinoy dito, Jollibee! You'll see plenty of statues and figures around Leicester Square Gardens. From Harry Potter to Mary Poppins and Gene Kelly.
From movie premieres to Eminem's World and people watching, it's one of the liveliest spots. Let's check out the Lego store. Super interactive with tons of cool models and perfect selfie spots. Whether or not you buy anything, the artistry here is amazing. Fun fact, it's the biggest Lego store in the UK since its big expansion in 2022.
It has 2 floors and you can see iconic figures dito sa London tulad ng Big Ben, Red Bass, and Harry Potter characters. At hindi lang yon, napaka-interactive pa. Pwede ka bumuo ng sarili mong Lego blocks. Sa sobrang ganda, mapapapicture ka talaga. Sobrang saya dito for all ages. Promise, you'll enjoy. Wow! Right in front of Lego is the M&M's World, Europe's first. It helped turn Leicester Square into a destination for fun retail and entertainment. Pagpasok mo sa M&M's World, para kang pumasok sa isang candy wonderland. Merong 4 na palapag na puno ng kulay, mga iba't ibang souvenirs tulad ng mga damit, kitchenware at toys mula sa M&M's. At syempre, ang mga iba't ibang chocolate na may kakaibang colors at flavors.
Don't miss the wall of chocolate. Over 100 dispensers filled with different M&Ms you can actually mix yourself.
Parang nasa Charlie and the Chocolate Factory tayo. Sobrang saya.
Fun fact, you can even get your face printed on M&M's candies. Cool, diba?
Just a few steps from Leicester Square is Chinatown. A quick trip to China without leaving London.
London's Chinatown grew from a small community in East London to the lively area it is now, established between 1960s and 80s. Famous for its food, shops, and vibrant festivals like Chinese New Year, a must-visit for food lovers.
More than 80 restaurants serves Cantonese, Sichuan, Taiwanese, Malaysian cuisines, and more. Finally, let's head to Soho. Known for nightlife, theaters, restaurants, and quirky shops. Close to Leicester Square and Chinatown. It's perfect for food, entertainment, and London culture.
Fun fact, Soho was a creative hub for the legends like the Rolling Stones, the Beatles, with iconic music clubs and studios.
Tito Tips! Walk around Soho to explore its narrow alleys and discover hidden gems. Visit at night, the bars and live music spots really come alive. Don't miss the diverse food scene. Book ahead for popular restaurants.
Soho has also secret bars and hidden alleys. Sometimes you need a password to get in.
Thanks for joining us today, mga kalakwatsa. See you next week for another London adventure.
If you enjoyed our adventure today, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell para updated kayo sa mga next nating lakwatsa. To God be the glory. Thank you po, Lord.
Marami pa kaming travel contents around London. So if you're planning a trip, check out our other videos.